Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make native rice. So I'll be giving you guys the recipe that you need, exact measurement of everything that I use in case you want to make the same rice measurement that I use. So in our pepper mix we have scotch bonnet and we have chili with onion. You have to rough blend it so it can give you this non-smooth texture. So for your oil, you're going to add your oil to your clean pot. You had your bay leaf, you had your curry and thyme, and you also had your onion to it. Pour your already washed rice into the pot. Make sure your water is out of the rice you want to pour. Then you fry for about 5 minutes. It's just as if you're cooking fried rice. After frying, add your seasoning cube, add 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Then you add 5 cups of water. So all you need is 5 cups of water to cook this particular 3 cups of rice. Your rice should cook for about 32 minutes. In another pot, add your palm oil, add your onions, add your locust beans, then add your pepper mixture into the hot oil. Add 1 tasty cube, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Add any protein of your choice. For me, I added my smoked fish and my pomo into the pepper, so I allow it fry for about 10 minutes. Once it is ready, pour it inside your cooked rice and mix gently. After mixing, you're going to add your already cut scent leaf into the rice. Then your food is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below if you are going to try it, and I'm going to link all the ingredients that I use and their measurement in the caption below. So don't forget to subscribe like I said, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.